So that nice morning of clouds and cooler temperatures is quickly moving out. It's already starting to get sunny here on the South Hill, and you can already see some breaks in those clouds over in Coeur d'Alene as well. And all of this will start to clear out here within the next hour. And as it does so, wind's going to start to pick up, and you can already see the two anemometers. That's the scientific instrument that gives us wind speed, already starting to pick up. It says calm at Spokane International. Don't buy it for a second. We're starting to get some wind here on the South Hill as well. It's all going to start to shift as we head into the afternoon and temperatures start to climb. We're near 80 already by the noon hour, and by this afternoon we will be back up in the 90s here in Spokane. It's looking like it's low 90s later this afternoon, topping out around 93, 94 degrees depending where you are in town. You're downtown, you're easily at about 94. You're at the airport, 93-ish is about what you'll get out of the day. But notice all of the moisture from early on starting to move out. Same with the lightning. That's a bit of good news. Up in north central Washington, a lot of that is no longer reaching the ground. We call them dry thunderstorms because all of that moisture evaporates before it hits the ground, or most of the moisture. That's what classifies as a dry thunderstorm, and that's where you get that lightning not associated with rain and the potential for wildfires. As we move into the afternoon, that threat shifts, and it shifts in a big way. We get rid of that threat of lightning and we shift the threat more toward dry conditions and gusty wind, and that's exactly what we're going to see through tonight, and the reason we have that red flag warning in place until 8 p.m. I'll walk you through our ongoing fire danger and what to expect in the days to come coming up in your full forecast.